Welcome to Remedy You. Today, I'm excited to share a simple and effective home remedy to reduce wrinkles and fine lines using ingredients you probably have at home. You'll need 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of honey, a few drops of rosehip oil, and 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Each of these ingredients is a powerhouse for your skin. Aloe vera hydrates, honey locks in moisture, rosehip oil is packed with anti-aging vitamins, and lemon juice helps tighten the skin. Mix them all in a bowl until you have a smooth, creamy paste. Before applying, ensure your face is clean and dry. Use your fingertips or a brush to apply the mask evenly, focusing on areas like your eyes and mouth where wrinkles tend to appear. Let it sit for 20 minutes to allow your skin to soak up all those nourishing benefits. After that, rinse with lukewarm water and gently pat your face dry. You'll feel refreshed and your skin will look smoother. For the best results, use this remedy twice a week. Enjoy your youthful glow.